It's anyone that has inspired you to be where you are today?
Not really.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
People are going, you don't know Media Fox, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know the thing set? Yeah, man. People are going. Big up everybody, you know. You see me? Big up all my fans. Big up all my haters. You see me? Big up every fans across the world. You understand? Yeah, man. We come to talk about Alkaline interview and thing. You see me? Yeah, man. It's a calm interview. You know, people are going to run out and say, yo, this him not know to articulate himself and one bag of Ray and this and that. And you know, all of the criticize for me years now. But people, you know, say, I would hear me sit down and me preach. And me say, yo, imagine a little youth, 19-year-old/20, come out, Zane, and I try do a thing for, you know, get the people's attention so him can, you know, kind of have a plan and him have a music and every little thing. Go up on some interview, just for know, say, them a try manipulate and force the local youth. Zane, I force the local youth to bow down to a man. Zane, bow down to a man, you know. Remember, say you have a lot of artists, a lot of people who can inspire you, man. And them want the youth just bow down to this one man. You understand? One man, you know. Zine, I mean, I say, yo, this now make no sense. You see me? Because you can't have a look at youth. I try make it. You see me? You put in contact lens and create the controversy. You know, people look within and him drop inside. Remember, if Alkaline never have no talent, you know, people. He moved the way him there today, you know. Can you imagine? Look how much people forward do something and boom, them flap by in 6 months or a couple months. Zine? But Alkaline forward, dropping the eyeball, everything and Ray. And the youth stand on them grounds, create hits after hits. You understand? Until today, after so many years, this youth still relevant. Zine? Them still are eating for one reason. But we are local youth on a force, on a try force the youth to say something. Like, there's so many artists out there and now put the pressure upon the youth. You understand? On now put the pressure them on the artists. Them all the artists who big up the man and every little thing. You understand? On now put them pressure. Imagine as a little 19-year-old/20-year-old you go up on an interview. And there is so many people in this world, you know, people who could have inspire you, you know. The man who interview I go ask you, say, if a man inspire you, Zine, he never asks who, you know. Remember, you don't know what in this youth of mine, you know. See, you don't know what in this youth of mine. And you go ask the youth, quote unquote, if a world boss inspire you. People want to hear, you know. Remember, you know, a youth just forward out on every little thing. You don't know the youth mind. And the first question or inspiration where you go ask the youth if a world boss. Remember, you know, anybody else can inspire the youth, you know. Zine, why it have to be this man here? A little 19-year-old, why it have to be this man here? Zine, and then they go ask the question after if you want to take that back. Imagine the youth stand on the ground and say him inspired by people. And then the man go come back and ask the youth if he want to take back the talk. Zine, why did I force local youth to have special ratings for your man? We never hear them interview somebody people and ask them if them have special ratings with Vice Captain. Like, sometimes I wonder. I say, yo, how can somebody go up in an interview and ask a little youth that? Why you could ask a little youth, say, yo, who inspire him? Zine, why them couldn't ask the youth that? But for sure, yo, in the dancehall space, it's have a bowing mentality of a praise a man and every little thing. You understand? Bowing mentality. A man have to come on an interview and say, yeah, my God, I'm a boss, man, I'm a God, that and everything. No, I know so it work. I know everybody have to go down the road there. And that's why I have to give Alkaline him respect, because the youth stand on him ground and he never fall for the trap where the other artists them in a dancehall fall in. You understand? And that's why them career not go too far, because them put them career on man foot and bow out, and then boom, them just bench them one side. You understand, people? But people want to look on that clip here.
If you're inspired by the world boss, Cartel.
I'm inspired?
Yes.
I'm inspired by
You say he
people.
wasn't special to you.
I'm inspired by
That's
people.
what you said there.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Do you want to take that back? Or
No, I'm going to take back nothing.
Have you revised that?
No.
You know?
2,000 years later.
It's anyone that has inspired you to be where you are today?
Not really. Just the fans and love of the fans, you know? Grateful for the support that we get.
People just watch a clip a while ago. It's like the past in the future and the future in the past. Alkaline still stand on him ground. Him say the same thing. You realize the interviewer with the locally and the interviewer with the internationally are two different ways them ask a question. One asks if a world boss inspire you. Remember, you know, you never forward out and say, yo, or come in a cartel or say, yo, cartel and boss are their own cartel are in the camping of people. See? The youth forward out and are doing music. Putting in contact lens, create a lot of things I want whatsoever. See? And then, you know what the interviewer in a UK BET asked them? Him asked them, say, Zini, she asked Alkaline, say, who inspire you over the years? Remember, you know, this is not, she never asked, inspire you in the music, you know. Who inspire you on your journey? And the man say, him fans. People are going to say, yo, Ray. And then the man say, yo, in his own style, in more in his style. Means that the youth are add on to him personality more in a field style. My master him craft more and more. Zine, people are go forward out and say one bag of thing and one bag of Ray. But the youth stand on him ground. You understand? But because it's a routine where most of them dancehall artists are forward out. And them say, yo, what this a man ya? And them artists, this a man ya, them God and Ray. But where are they now? Where all of the artists who do the big up and the Ray and all of them look something. Zine, them gone. So, all of that, it now make no sense. You see me? Because when you pre the situation, as an artist, you're supposed to create your own craft. Nobody not own the right to controversy. Nobody not own right for courage. You understand? So when somebody do them thing, it just a do them thing. Because the youth never bow down to this man. Them want kill the youth career and every little thing. But look at the youth today. Look on the youth today. You understand? But when you're 19 and 20, they try force the youth to bow down to a man. A one artist in a dance. It look like them time they are the one artist in a dance, all people. One artist. And the artists them will bow down to this man. Them nah give them highlighter. You know? You understand? Them nah give them highlighter. Imagine through a 19-year-old no bow down to a big man. A little youth. And that's why they want to crucify the youth. Through him no bow. That's why I tell you say this mentality of bowing in the industry and mash up the business. And that's why today them only highlight certain things and certain man. Because it make the whole of them bow and every little thing. You understand? Turn him in a shepherd, every little thing. Water don't feed them thing. The Alkaline alone a tough it out and a hold it out. You understand? You see me? And a one artist in the dancehall and many artists. But through most of them bow out and put them career man foot, it make it seems like a one. But you realize you're only Alkaline alone. I get the energy with them forget.
Subscribe now.
Them will bow out, you know. Them
Promise
supposed to get the highlight and everything with Alkaline and get, you know.
No.
But no. Bowing out no care you go nowhere. You understand? It no care you go nowhere. Because if you go put your level this you go stay. Alkaline know him worth. That's why the youth have him sold out shows and have him shows today because him no bow to the system. Some of them bow because them weak. Them can't do it by themselves. Them afraid. Them afraid of the backlash every little thing. Alkaline no care about that. Alkaline focus on the music. Him not focus on lifestyle and drama. People don't know, no. Yeah man, people, Alkaline just drop a mad song, My Choice. You don't know. Yeah man, they don't know him tell you say, yo, money I'm choice. You see me and him don't know say your street not pretty. You see me? So you have to guard up. You see me and money we are pre. We now watch the man, we now watch the haters and everything. And money am my choice. You see me? Yeah man, people go over there. Go listen to the song. Good song man, good song. And money we are pre for the year. You understand? We now watch nobody. We just do a thing and dominate the space. You see me? Yeah man, money we are pre. You see me? So we can feed the family and every little thing. That's our choice. You see me? Yeah man, we have to make the money and the bread. You see it? Yeah man. So go over the people. Alkaline song, My Choice. You see me? Go tune in. Tough song. Yeah man, drop your likes and everything. You see me? Subscribe if you not subscribe. You don't know. Yeah man, Vendetta Boss. My Choice. You don't know. Yeah, man. You understand? He might do him thing. Alkaline could have run dancehall anytime. Just a 2-minute video interview, mash up the place. If Alkaline want run it, him run it. It's easy for him. But look here, the youth not greedy. The youth make other youths out there do them thing. You understand? He not greedy. The youth not take this one bag of show. The youth manage him thing and take wish and not steal out himself and not come out himself. You understand? The youth have him in business, in foundation, have him structure, new rules. I keep all over the world. Sold out shows him fan come support him. A whole different generation. The youth are doing thing, no need nobody, no need no big up and everything. The youth doing things solo and keeping private life private. You understand? Enough of them want to see what him doing in business, but the youth smart. Them say him not a youth, although them not see him youth. You understand? They don't know him business, but him not a youth. But you can go and talk. Because what?
Subscribe
You
now.
rich and he not show it.
What me say?
You understand? Enough of you not talk about rich.
Subscribe now.
You not rich yet. You understand? Because you don't come and show a little thing and this and that. But the youth are doing thing. And big up yourself, Alka. Stand by your ground as a little youth. You understand? And that's why you have successful career today. Because you never bow to the system. And you do your thing, you build your fans. None of them now no fans because them build another man fans. And when him follow the road, them now no fans to help them. That's why them get parked up now. Nobody now talk about them. You understand? And you alone because you have your own fans. Your fans were they feel from way back then when them a fight you. You see it? Yeah, man. And I just saw the thing said. You see it? The youth are doing thing and doing interview. The full one not come out yet. But when it come out, you know it's another shake in that. But people, when they don't know, you know, yeah, man. I'm here, facts, man. You see me? That is it.